In this video, you'll learn how to check live price charts on Binance. By following the steps outlined, you will gain the ability to analyze real-time market data effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance platform, either through the mobile app or the website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, locate the market section on the homepage. Alternatively, you can use the search function to find a specific cryptocurrency. Select the trading pair you wish to analyze, for example, BTC/USD. Ensure that you are viewing the spot charts, particularly if you are new to trading. After selecting the pair, confirm that the chart loads correctly with live updates. This step is essential as it directs you to the real-time price chart, allowing you to start your analysis without confusion. Next, you will want to adjust the timeframes and chart style to suit your analysis needs. Look for options to change the time frame, which may include intervals like 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 day. Choose a candlestick view to clearly observe price movements over time. It is advisable to keep your chart simple, particularly if you are inexperienced, which means avoiding the addition of too many indicators. You can zoom in on specific sections of the chart or scroll back to review historical prices. Additionally, check the volume bars that accompany the chart to confirm the strength of price movements. This adjustment is crucial for accurately interpreting the charts, making informed decisions. After adjusting your chart settings, focus on tracking prices using alerts and watch lists. Setting price alerts can help you avoid the need to constantly monitor the charts. Consider adding important trading pairs to your watch list for quick and easy access. It is beneficial to compare multiple timeframes before making any trading decisions. If your internet connection is slow, remember to refresh the data periodically to ensure you are viewing the most current information. Keeping the chart open while placing trades allows you to monitor price movements effectively. This organization is key to maintaining clarity and efficiency in your trading process. When using Binance, it is important to be aware of file sizes, upload speeds, and internet reliability. Large files or slow connections can affect the loading times of charts. Always verify your available storage if you plan to save any data or screenshots of your charts. This precaution will help you avoid interruptions during your trading sessions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.